Hello and welcome to the amazing and highly inventive Doorstop by No1 Door, the handiest, safest, and easiest to use door stopper in today's market. Ever since the first door was created, human beings have understood how to use an object or a device to prevent a door from closing. December 10, 1878 was the first creation of what is known today as the door stopper. But unfortunately, most of today's designs can be considered trip hazards. But No1 Door solves the lifelong problem. No more worrying about tripping hazards or damages to your floors. No1 Door is so handy, it just slides right over the door hinge and prevents the door from closing. It's safe and easy to use, perfect for doors with automatic closures too. No bending required, lightweight and portable. It's truly ideal for firemen, first responders, hospitality workers, maintenance personnel, janitors, mail carriers, and anyone that needs a door to be kept open. Simply brilliant. So get yours today. It's available at Walmart.com, Amazon, eBay, Weber Hardware, Farah Enterprise, and other retailers.